Hi, my name is Kevin Wang, and today I'll be talking about the evolution of the large crowned finch. So, some basic information about the large crowned finch is that its common name is large crowned finch. Its scientific name is Geospiza magnirostrus, and the biome that it mainly resides in is the semi arid desert. Now, the native country it is the Galapagos Islands, and it belongs to Ecuador, and the family of organism is family Thropidae. And on the left right here is image of a large brown finch male. And some recent common ancestors, and while it's not exactly known, it is the ground finch and the South American mainland finch, vaguely. And some shared characteristics are beak, small plump body, small feet, and they're able to fly, and they are omnivores, meaning that they eat seeds, fruits, and insects. And some evidence is that it shares many characteristics with its ancestors, and the only differences from its ancestors are its bigger beaks and the overall larger body. And some advantageous traits about the Galapagos large ground finch is that since there was a surplus in large seeds, cactus fruits, and large insects, it made having a larger beak more practical. And since this allows more ground finches to access more food, it increases the chance of survival and reproduction. And because of these advantages, the large ground finch is now the most common Darwin finch, with 10,000 plus birds living on the islands. And some selective pressures that the large ground finch faces are actually one that was a long time ago. Its ancestors likely faced a shortage of smaller foods and a surplus of larger foods. And as a result of this, large beak finches were naturally selected to survive and reproduce due to better fitness. And large ground finches have to forage for food on the ground in order to survive, which is another selective pressure. And to reproduce, male finches have a unique mating call to attract ground finches only. And on the left here is a diagram that Charles Darwin drew of the different finches, and that's the large ground finch. Some genetic variations with the large ground finch. Now, doing my research, I couldn't find any variations of the large ground finch, but there are two distinctive differences from male and female in terms of differences for the finches. So, males, they have black feathers and a black beak, while females, they have brown feathers and an orange beak. This is because males, they have black feathers and beaks to stand out, since female birds, they prefer distinctive colors and they are more attracted to those. And females have brown fur and an orange beak to blend in with their nest because it reduces the chances of being preyed on. And this is a female ground finch right here. And these are my sources. Thank you.